Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to keep squirrels out of your garden. So if you have a beautiful garden and you have lots of trees in your garden and on your property, a lot of times squirrels are a problem. They dig up everything, they dig up all the flower bulbs, and they're constantly digging and moving things around for you. But there's a few easy solutions to get them out of your garden. So the materials that you will need are any type of really strong spice, whether it's cinnamon, black pepper, Cajun, which has lots of cayenne pepper or red hot chili pepper, or just regular pepper, garlic pepper, anything that's really, really spicy, that when the squirrels go through the beds, they're not going to like the smell and they're not going to mess with your plants. First step, sprinkle any type of strong spice over your garden beds where the squirrels are running. Now this is cinnamon, and cinnamon works pretty good. I know a lot of times they don't like the smell. You might have to try different spices, but it seems to help because there's really nothing you can do outside of trying to deter them. Next step, reapply the spice when it rains really hard, or if you notice that the squirrels are reappearing, or try a different type of spice. Like this is some garlic pepper, and it's really strong. So keep trying, and eventually you'll find something that will work. There's other remedies. I've heard coffee grounds sometimes work, or you can get seashells and they're cut up into little pieces. But it's worth the effort, and my attitude is you don't do damage to the squirrels, you just try to find a reason for them not to come into your garden.